I installed a chandelier of the TFCFL hidden ceiling fan with LED lights and chandelier pieces. Very interesting process. Has to be put together piece by piece. So it may take you a little while, but it'll be okay. The bend and prepare. Have it ready for installation. All of these has to be done. And once these chandelier pieces are done, then they're hung individually. These two pieces, this piece are placed together, lined up, and the screws are screwed in. And then the chandelier pieces are hung from